Wala kay tingog.
Got Got
Okay, ano yung i-rate mo ako yung totoo kahit masaktan ako hindi sa within 1 to 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. Ilan kayo yung rate ko? Ilan kayo?
Kuan, mga 10? Ano? Tsada gid kag tingog ko
Thank
ay.
you kayo, thank you. Grabe, butag is ma'am sa ako.
It's my
Hi ma'am, pwede ta kantahan mo for my YouTube channel, one song only, 2 minutes, tapos na.
Oh my God!
Kasi haranan ni public ako. Ito yung YouTube channel ko.
A few moments later.
King pala pangalan ko. King. Yep. Sige, hello. Sa'yo pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Nova.
All the loneliness is always been of mine. Leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind. Risking it all in a glance.
Look into my eyes.
How you got me blind to the mystery. I can't get you out of my head. I don't care what is written in history, as long as you're here with me.
Hi.
Okay. I don't care who you are, where you're from, or what you did, as long as you love me, who you are. Kinikilig na naman ako. Where you're from, or what you did, as long as you love me, I don't know, as long as you love me, baby.
Got
Bago ako malas, may dalawang tanong pala ako, ma'am. Anong naramdaman mo kanina na hindi mo kilala tapos bigla akong lumingon, napansin kita tapos bigla kitang sinabihan na kakanta ako, anong naramdaman mo lahat-lahat? Hindi mo kilala, random stranger.
Shock.
Siya ka? At the same time, ano pa?
Kulbaan.
Gulban. Pero hindi ako manghula, pero ano naman deep inside, happy na, kinilig naman. Kasi pinagdahan ni public.
Okay na kuya, tsada kay tingog.
Okay, ano yung i-rate mo ako yung totoo kahit masaktan ako hindi sa within 1 to 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. Ilan kayo yung rate ko? Ilan kaya ako?
Kuan, mga 10? Ano? Tsada gid kag tingog ko ay.
Thank you kayo, thank you. Grabe, butag is ma'am sa ako. Sige, kanang last na tanong ako umalis. First time mo ba kinantahan ko in public?
Oo.
First time? So wala pang kumanta siya mga vlogger?
Wala pa, ikaw lang.
Remember that. Put it in your mind.
Sa ako lang makapal yung mukha, malakas na lang. Abot yung mga nangliligaw sa'yo dati, nangliligaw na kinantahan ka, wala rin.
Wala naman, pero boyfriend ako.
Boyfriend mo.
Nakantahan
Okay.
na video.
Side video game mo. Kumanta siya pa yung boyfriend mo.
Oo, surprising lang.